everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to our EVS class. My dear students, we have started 5th lesson in the last session. So in that we have learned about different water sources and different water bodies. Do you remember what we have learned in the last session? Yes, very good. We'll revise it. Okay? Can anyone tell me which is the main source of water? Which is the main source of water from which all the water bodies get water? Yes, that is rain. The rain is the main source of water. From that, water goes to the river, lake, pond, waterfall, stream and well. Okay, where does the water goes? The rainwater goes to the rivers, lake, pond, waterfall, streams and well. Okay students? Good. We have also learned about the natural and man-made water sources. We have also learned about the natural and man-made or artificial water sources. Do you remember students the natural sources of water? Can anyone tell me the natural sources of water? Yes. Which are the natural sources of water? Very good. You can see there. The natural sources of water are river. Then which one is there? Lake. Yes. Which one is the next? Pond. And the main source of water is rain. Okay, so we write here rain. Rain is the main source of water. Okay, and all these sources get water from rain. Okay students? Good. Now can you tell me some man-made or artificial sources of water? Which are the artificial sources of water? Good. These wells, then bore well and tube wells. Okay, tube well. These are some artificial or man-made water sources. Okay students? Good. Now in today's session we are going to learn more about the water sources. Are you ready for that? Yes. Before that you have to write today's keywords in your notebook. So we will see some keywords. These keywords we have also seen in the last session. Okay. The keywords are rain, rainwater, rivers, ponds, lakes, wells, streams, waterfalls, water bodies, sea, ocean, taps, pipelines. Okay. Some new keywords for today's sessions are fresh water. What is the keyword? Fresh water. F-R-E-S-H, fresh water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Fresh water. Then next word is hand pumps. H-A-N-D, hand. P-U-M-P-S, pumps. Hand pumps. The next word is germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. The next word is boil. B-O-I-L, boil. Next word is filter. F-I-L-T-E-R. F-I-L-T-E-R, filter. Next word is purifier. purifier. Purifier, purifier. Then next word we can see here, groundwater. Ground, ground, water, water, groundwater. And the last word is springs. Springs, 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 springs. Alright students, have you written all these words in your EVS notebook? Very good. And you have also written down the natural sources which you know and the artificial or man-made sources which you know on your own. Okay students? Good. Now we have seen different sources of water in the last session, that are the main source of water is rain, river, lake, pond, waterfall, stream, water, then sea and ocean. The sea and oceans are huge water bodies. Okay, these are huge water bodies, and these water sources are salty water sources. Can we drink the water from sea and ocean? Do you drink the water from sea and ocean? No, we cannot drink water which we get from sea and ocean, as that water is salty. It contains more amount of salt. Okay? But the water which we use every day is the fresh water. Which water we use every day? Do you use salty water every day? No, we do not use salty water every day. We use fresh water every day. What do we use? We use fresh water every day. So, the water which we use every day, the water we use every day is called as fresh water. What is fresh water, students? Fresh water is the water which we use every day. Okay students, as we know that rainwater goes to all these water sources. Likewise, the rainwater also goes underground. That water is called as groundwater. Okay, the water of rain which goes under the ground. The rainwater which goes under the ground. That water is called as groundwater. What do we call to the water which goes under the ground? That water is called as groundwater. Okay, what is the groundwater? The groundwater is, what is the groundwater? The groundwater is water which goes, rainwater which goes under ground. Okay, the underground water is called as groundwater, and these water comes up in the form of these springs. Okay, it comes in the form of these springs. Okay students, these underground water come up in the form of water springs. Okay, have you seen anywhere water spring? Good. So this fresh water is the water which we use every day, and the groundwater is the rainwater which goes underground. Understood? Very good. In many villages, people use water from the river, lake, pond, waterfall, stream, water taps and pipelines directly at their home. Okay. In the cities, people get water from the taps and these pipelines. So, these fresh water sources such as river, lake, pond, waterfall, stream, we cannot drink water directly. Can we drink the water directly? No, we cannot drink this water from all these sources directly because it may have dirt and germs. These water sources, they may have dirt and germs in it. Okay, germs in it. So, what we have to do to avoid the infection of germs, different diseases from these germs? What do we have to do? We have to boil this water to make it germ free and diseases free. What do we have to do? Whenever we have to using that water from these fresh water bodies for drinking purpose. So what we have to do? We have to boil it. Some families may also use filters. Some families also use water filter to filter that water. And nowadays we can see in many houses the water purifier. What can we see? We see different types of water purifier, that AquaGuard Pani Ka Doctor. Have you seen that advertised? Yes, that is water filters and water purifier. Okay? Good. So, to make the water germ free, what we have to do? We have to use boiling, filtration of water, or purification of water. Understood, students? Yes. To make water germ free for drinking, we should boil the water, we should filter the water, or we should purify the water. Okay, students? Good. So, these are the some way we can make our water fresh. Okay, this fresh water, but sometimes it may have germs, dust in it. So, to avoid disease or infection from these, we can do filtration process. We can boil the water, we can filter it, or we can purify that water. Okay? Good. We know that students, we need water for many purposes. Can anyone tell me for what we need water? Yes, very good. We need water to drinking, to wash our clothes, to wash utensils, for cooking and farming also we need water. What I said, we need water for different purpose as we use water for different things. Okay, which are the different things? Can you tell me? For drinking, then for doing farming, to grow crops, we need give water to them. Okay, and like us, animals also need water. In many ways, we use water. In our house also, we need water for cooking, bathing, washing clothes, and many things. Okay, so we should use water very carefully. Do you know that? Why we should use water carefully? Yes, because in villages they do not get water easily as much you get. Okay, means we get water in taps and pipelines. But in villages, people have to walk long distance. They have to go far away to bring water. Okay, so they have to do too much hard work to bring water for only drinking. So we should use water carefully. We should not waste water anymore. Okay, in olden days, people were living near the water sources or near the water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, waterfall. Okay, but as the time goes, what happened? The human beings, they know how to make their own water bodies. Okay, they know to build their own water bodies. So they do not living near the water sources. Okay, and they dig wells, bore wells, tube wells, and hand pumps near their houses. Okay, nowadays you can see in villages also. In some villages, people have to go far away to bring water, and in some areas, they get water through well, bore well, tube wells, and hand pumps. Okay, students? What I said, in many villages, people have to walk a long distance. They have to go far away to bring water. But in some areas, people get water easily through these wells, bore wells and tube wells, and also by hand pumps. Understood? Very good. So, I hope you have learned the water sources, two types of water sources, which are the natural and man-made water sources. Then we have learned about fresh water and groundwater. What is fresh water? Fresh water is the water we use every day. It's called fresh water. Do we use salty water every day? The salty water is fresh water? No, we cannot use salty water for drinking purpose or for doing our household work. So we need for drinking and our household work fresh water. Okay? And then we have also learned about groundwater. The water of rain which goes underground. It comes up in the springs, in the form of springs. That underground water comes up, and that water is called as groundwater. Okay, do you know this? Very good. So after that we have also learned to disinfect our water with this dirt, germs and many things. Okay? Or we should boil, filter or purify water before we drink. We should not use as it is from these sources, as they may have germs, bacteria and the dirt. Okay? Very good. We have to use water carefully, as we need it for many things. We should not waste water anymore. Do you understood this, students? Very good. So, we have learned different things about water in the lesson water everywhere. Okay, students? You have any doubt, then you can ask me. You should contact me. Okay? We will see next point in the next session. Till that time, thank you.